Understanding version history in cloud storage.
Version history lets you keep track of changes made to your files in cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Each time you save or update a file, a previous version is stored. This feature is essential for recovering lost content, undoing mistakes, or reviewing edits made over time by you or other collaborators.
Accessing version history in Google Drive.
To view version history in Google Drive, right-click on your file and select Version History or Manage Versions. A list of previous versions will appear, showing when each was saved. You can browse, download, or even restore an earlier version if needed. This is especially useful for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides.
Restoring previous versions in Google Drive.
When you locate the version you want in Google Drive, click the three dots or the Restore option next to it. Confirm your choice, and the older version will replace the current file. But don't worry, the most recent version is still in your history. This allows you to switch back and forth as needed, keeping your data safe.
Using version history in Dropbox.
Dropbox also keeps changes for files stored in your account. Right-click on the file and choose Version History. Dropbox will display past versions, their timestamps, and who made changes. Select the file version you wish to restore and click Restore. The chosen version becomes the current file, but you can always return to other versions if needed.
Best practices and limitations.
Version history is a powerful safeguard, but keep in mind that retention policies differ. Free versions of Google Drive keep file versions for 30 days or 100 changes, while Dropbox Basic retains versions for 30 days. For longer backup periods, consider paid plans. Regularly review your history and restore files promptly to avoid permanent loss.